Hi, Matt suing from Estate Law Partners. Today I want to ask a tough question. If you were gone, what would happen to your kids? Who's the nominated guardian for your kids? How did you make that decision? My two girls are the most important thing in this world to me. So trust me, this is not an easy thing to think or talk about, but it's something that every parent must answer. When we traditionally think of estate planning, it's about what happens to your assets if something happens to you. Right now, I'd like to take a look at what is probably more important for parents of young children: nominating guardians for those kids. In other words, who would look after your kids if you passed away? While you might assume that your parents or sibling or friend will take on the responsibility for your kids if you died, things might not work out that way. If you don't have a will that says what you want, then the transition is going to be that much harder. It will be hard enough for the kids. We shouldn't add to the chaos and stress by not lining up a guardian. So, who to nominate as a guardian? It's not a decision to make lightly. Obviously, there's never a perfect answer, but here are some things to consider. Can your preferred guardian afford to look after your children, or would it place them in financial stress? What is the current age of your preferred guardian? Would they have the maturity to care for your children if something were to happen to you tomorrow? On the other hand, are they young enough to take care of your children, not just now, but over the next 18 years? Will your preferred guardian be willing to instill your children the values and outlooks that are important to you? Where does your guardian live? While many people choose a family member to act as a guardian, that doesn't have to be the case depending on your family circumstances. At the end of the day, it's what you feel would be best for your child. And don't forget, you can always change it. The most important thing is that you nominate a guardian for your kids. One of the resources that we will put up on our website is Instructions to Guardians Memorandum, where you can write down those things that are most important that you want the guardian to know about your kids. This can be a helpful tool to make sure that your most precious gift will be taken care of. If you are a parent of a minor child, please contact us at Estate Law Partners about the best way to make sure your wishes are honored and your child is cared for by the person you intend.